I ordered a new fuel pickup from Loader Parts Source to get on this new tank. Well, used tank. Let's get this on. Now let's get this grommet out. It's been a long time waiting to get this thing assembled. Get that all the way crimped on. I'm going to warm this up a little bit so I can get it to not retain its shape. There we go. I got it to loosen up and sit at the bottom of the tank. Now let's get this in. Okay, guys, fuel tank is in. Capped off so nothing falls down in it. I'm going to pull these rotten hoses off. Well, it's still easy to get to everything. Here we go, guys. I got new hoses on right there. I've got to replace this cylinder, so I can't put those hoses on yet. But I can't lift that cylinder out in my garage. I can't get the boom high enough. So that'll have to wait a bit. Tank is in. It's a very tight fit. Okay, let's get these engine mounts in. These are the new engine mounts right here. Right there. Hardware's all right there. That's the original stuff. Okay, let's get moving. Well, let's get this thing lifted up. Okay, we had to readjust. It's a little bit awkward to get these motors in. There we go. Let's slowly get this motor wiggled in place. We'll get engine mounts partially lined up. Gotta get these on. They're 3/4. There we go. Now let's hop up inside and get those ones in. There we go. Engine is in. That's a massive accomplishment considering it's sat for a year. Now let's get the exhaust bolted up since it's in my way. Now let's get this exhaust on. Kind of hard to do this without being able to see it. Let's get some started and then I'll get some anti-seize on it. There we go. Now let's get some anti-seize on those other ones. And then alternate. I'll bring you back when I got this bolted up. So guys, I picked up a brand new muffler and exhaust pipe from a company called Arco Tractor Supply. Because this did not have a remotely close to correct muffler on it. That's a little bit awkward to get bolted up. I'll bring you back once I get that done. Here we go, guys. Engine is in. Exhaust is in. I do need the trim a little bit to clearance it. This was apparently made to fit 773, 7753, 753, 743, basically anything with a Kubota diesel in this generation. So it doesn't fit perfectly. I'm going to have to do a little bit of trimming, but that's not a big deal. I still have to take those lines off over there and clean them out. But engine is in, and the fuel tank is as well. Not bad. We got a lot done today. Got it in finally. Really happy about that. It's been sitting on my garage floor for nearly a year. Finally got around to getting it put back together and then back in the machine. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. I'll keep pushing things out as I keep finding more things to do. Thanks for watching, everybody. Take care.